Good day, sir. My name is Benz Didacles, section BHSM 1A. So, I choose the line live, rise, and soar in Excel because it, it feels to me like a simple guide for how I want to live my life every day. For me, live means enjoying the present and being thankful for everyday experience. And for the rise, reminds me to stay strong and keep going even when things get hard. And for the soar, encourage me to dream big and believe in myself. And also for the excel, pushes me to always try my best in everything I do. This line, sir, inspires me to keep improving and becoming a better version of myself. Also, as a student of NINSO, the vision and mission and core values help guide me how I grow, not just academically, but also as a person. The vision reminds me that education is not only for personal success, but also for helping me, and not also for me, helping in each community and contributing to sustainable well development. The mission encouraged me to take study seriously and work well with others and use what I learned to make positive difference in my future. The core values are also important in shaping who I am. I, I also try to show compassion by being kind and understanding to others. I also practice accountability by being responsible in my schoolwork and also my action. I stay responsive by being aware of the needs of the people around me, like my classmates. I aim for excellence by always giving my best and effort. And also, I value service by helping to my classmates or schools whenever they have activities. These values guides me to become not only better student but also a responsible and caring person. The one action that I will take this semester to live out these values is to join at least one school or community outreach activity. I also want to give my time to help others, not just to focus on my own studies. In this way, I can show service, compassion, and accountability, even in even that it's so small ways. I hope to make a positive impact while continuing this to grow to myself as a student and a better person. And for the last, sir, I expect this subject is the expect this subject is medyo mahirap kasi wala pa akong alam sa history. And pero I will try my best, sir, to I will try my best to learn. And for my subject teacher, sana uh, sana maganda ang pakikipag-flow ni sir para ma, ma mm, madali kong maintindihan yung klase and and mabait naman si sir. And sir, that's it, and have a nice day.